Hi guys, welcome to this new video on Bronco Crypto channel. Today's video is a tutorial about TronLink. TronLink is a wallet, like MetaMask, but specifically developed for the TRON network. In today's video we are going to see how to install the wallet, how to deposit, and how to use it. To install TronLink on our Chrome browser, we go to the TronLink org page. Find the link in the video description. Click on Download and select the extension for Google Chrome. At this point, click on Add and confirm the extension. The extension will appear in the upper right corner of the browser. We block the pin so that it is always visible. Once the extension appears, we can click on it and we have the possibility to do two operations: create a new wallet or import an existing wallet. In our case, let's create a new wallet. We accept the terms and conditions by reaching the bottom of the page, and we decide on the name of the wallet. In my case, I choose Test. We choose a password to open the wallet, and click on Create Wallet to complete the operation. We enter the password again. At this point, we will be provided with the 12 words that we have to save properly. Please save on a piece of paper, in a diary, but don't save the words electronically. These words must be entered in order to confirm the wallet. I remind you that these are the 12 words that we will need tomorrow, if we need to open the wallet on a different device. We will be asked to enter these 12 words in order to open the same wallet on various devices. So, if we are going to install the wallet on our mobile phone and we want to open this specific wallet, we should enter these 12 words. So, after saving the words, we confirm that we have saved them, and we must now go and enter all 12 words in the same order in which they were provided to us. Then we will be asked to enter the words in an order that the wallet decides. Once this is done, we access the wallet. At this point our wallet is clearly empty, but above all, we have neither energy nor bandwidth to be able to use it. In order to use the wallet, it is necessary to go and deposit some TRX, which are the fuel of the wallet and are the tokens that we will burn every time we go to make an operation. To do this, we must therefore click on Deposit, and we receive the address of our wallet. Now we can proceed through Binance, through Huobi, or through any other exchange we are using. We need to transfer TRX here in order to use the wallet. So, to deposit, by clicking on Deposit, we discover the wallet address and move to Binance. Now, once we are in our Binance wallet spot, the first operation I am going to do is convert USDT into TRX. In my case, I'm going to convert $106, equivalent to about 1626 TRX. I do the conversion. Perfect. Now back to the wallet spot. In correspondence with TRX, I click on Withdraw. Now I have to enter the TronLink wallet address, which I'm going to copy again. I enter TRC20 as network and enter the amount I'm going to transfer. I confirm the operation, and now I'm going to enter the security codes that I receive via email and SMS. After a few minutes, the $106 arrived in the TronLink wallet. At this point, in order to operate, we need to purchase energy and bandwidth. To do this, click on Stake. We have entered the TRON blockchain. Our wallet will connect automatically. We get bandwidth by staking, for example, 10 TRX. Back in TronLink, we see that our bandwidth is full. For example, let's go now to buy energy instead. We stake 10 TRX. Now we have both energy and bandwidth. The TRX that we have staked will be returned to us as soon as the staking period ends, in my case on February 15th. So, we didn't lose these 20 TRX, they were simply staked. From now on we can operate with TronLink. We can connect it to dApp applications. We can use it as a wallet. In short, we can do everything that interests us in the DeFi on the TRON network. Having said that, I close the video. I have shown you the basic steps to be able to install and use TronLink. Thank you if you leave a like on this video and say hello.